The Atea Hybrid Electric VTOL is a generation aircraft designed to make flying more sustainable and efficient. By using hybrid electric propulsion, it significantly reduces emissions while still maintaining strong performance, range, and reliability. This balance of clean energy and practicality makes it a major step forward in aviation technology. One of its most important features is vertical takeoff and landing capability. Because it doesn't need a runway, the Atea is ideal for crowded urban areas where space is limited. Its quiet operation also makes it a suitable choice for cities, helping reduce noise pollution compared to traditional. Equipped with advanced avionics and safety systems, it offers precise control and dependable flight in a variety of conditions. Designed specifically for urban and regional mobility, the Atea opens the door to a new way of traveling short distances quickly and cleanly. More than just an aircraft, it represents the aviation industry's move toward practical, eco-friendly solutions, combining innovation, performance, and sustainability for the future of flight. The autonomous flying taxi concept by a UFEER design is a futuristic air vehicle created to make city travel faster, easier, and cleaner. This flying taxi is fully electric and can take off and land vertically, removing the need for runways. It's designed to operate without a pilot, using advanced sensors and AI technology to fly safely and efficiently. Inside, it offers a comfortable cabin with modern seating and large windows for amazing aerial views. The goal of this concept is to reduce traffic, cut down on pollution, and give people a new, stress-free way to travel above busy streets. The AUFEER design flying taxi represents the future of smart and sustainable urban transportation. The Bellwether eVTOL is a stylish electric flying vehicle designed to bring the dream of personal air travel to life. It can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need a runway, making it perfect for crowded cities. Powered by electricity, it flies quietly and produces zero emissions, helping reduce pollution and noise. The sleek, futuristic design gives it a premium look, while advanced technology ensures a safe and smooth flight. Inside, it offers comfort and simplicity, allowing passengers to enjoy a new way of moving above traffic. The Bellwether eVTOL is a glimpse into the future of urban transportation, combining innovation, sustainability, and luxury in one elegant flying machine. The Boeing booster is a key part of NASA's Advanced Launch System, created to send spacecraft far beyond Earth's atmosphere. Designed with precision engineering, it produces immense thrust, powerful enough to overcome Earth's gravity and push rockets into space. Every element, from its engines to its fuel systems, is carefully built to ensure both safety and efficiency during liftoff. This booster is essential for deep space missions. It provides the initial force needed to carry astronauts and equipment toward new frontiers, supporting ambitious journeys to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. After completing its job, the booster separates, allowing the spacecraft to continue traveling independently toward its destination. Boeing's role in building the booster reflects decades of aerospace expertise and innovation. It shows how engineering excellence can create technology capable of exploring the solar system and expanding the boundaries of human knowledge. More than just a rocket component, the Boeing booster represents determination, progress, and humanity's drive to reach further into the universe. Columbon Cree-Cree. The Columbon Cree-Cree is known as the world's smallest twin-engine airplane. Designed in France, it has a wingspan of less than 5 meters and can still carry one pilot safely. Despite its small size, this aircraft is capable of reaching speeds of around 140 miles per hour and can perform aerobatic maneuvers. What makes the Cree-Cree impressive is how lightweight and efficient it is, using 2 tiny engines to deliver smooth flight. Some versions have even been adapted to run on electric power, showing the potential for greener aviation in miniature form. The aircraft was created to be affordable, practical, and simple for hobby pilots who love experimental flying. Its size makes it easy to transport and store compared to normal planes. Even after decades, the Cree-Cree remains a symbol of creativity in aviation, proving that even the smallest planes can achieve big things in the sky.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.